So students, today's topic is AC through inductor. Means an inductor is there. So what is inductor? Inductor is a simple coil. This is what? This is inductor of self-inductance L. And when we connect this coil with a AC source, means we connect this coil with the AC source, then a current will flow through this, and we know then, since this is time variant, so current will also be time variant. When current is time variant, we know this fact that an induced EMF is produced. Due to self-inductance of the coil, an induced EMF will be produced, and the amount of that induced EMF is minus L di over dt. This is what? This is induced EMF. And this is what? This is EMF given by the source. So net EMF in this circuit is E minus L di over dt. And according to Kirchhoff's law, according to Kirchhoff voltage law, the net sum of net EMF in a closed path, in a closed loop, is 0. So we get E equal to minus L di over dt. So from here, now this is the fact that E equal to what? E equal to E naught sin omega t equal to minus L di over dt. So di equal to E naught upon L sin omega t dt. Now what we can do? We can integrate both sides. So on integration, this is di equal to E naught upon L. Why E naught upon L? This is constant quantity. So, and this is what? This is integration of sin omega t. Integration of sin omega t. The integration of sin omega t is minus cos omega t upon omega. So we can write this omega here. So this is what? This is minus cos omega t. Minus cos omega t. We can write this expression like this, and this is what? This is I. We can write it sin cos omega t. We can write cos omega t as pi by 2 minus omega t. Minus as it is, and we can write cos omega t equal to sin pi by 2 minus omega t. So when we multiply this minus sign here, this is sin omega L sin omega t minus pi by 2. This is what? This is expression of current. Sin omega t minus pi by 2. And what is the equation of EMF? The equation of EMF is E naught sin omega t. So there is a phase difference of pi by 2. The phase difference of pi by 2 is there. So if on phasor diagram, if we take EMF here, E equal to E naught sin omega t. Then what is the phase difference? Pi by 2, and current is lagging. Here voltage is leading and current is lagging. So this will be I equal to I naught omega t minus pi by 2. This angle is omega t and this complete angle is 90 degrees. So here from phasor diagram we can represent this, that E equal to E naught sin omega t and I equal to I naught omega t minus pi by 2. Now one more thing. I equal to, in general, I equal to V upon R. In very basic equation from Ohm's law we can write it. Here I equal to E naught upon this much. So this is called reactance of the circuit, and it is denoted as XL. XL equal to omega L, or we can write it I equal to E naught upon XL sin omega t minus pi by 2, and this is denoted by XL. So this is AC through inductor.